gentlemen, I present your story, Claire and the Black Hole Cookies. Claire woke up one morning and she had a grumble in her tummy. And she thought, oh, I really need some breakfast. But before breakfast, I think I'm gonna get some cookies. That seems like a healthy choice. And so, she got out of bed, threw her covers off, and she stomped with her elephant feet down the stairs. And she got into the kitchen, and she couldn't believe what she saw. Right next to the cookie jar, there were two delicious chocolate chip cookies spinning all by themselves. And Claire looked around. Mom? Dad? Where'd you go? She thought maybe Mom and Dad spun the cookies on the table. But there wasn't. And as she got close to the spinning cookies, she could feel the air was different. It was almost vibrating. And she thought, oh, that's a little weird. And as she got even closer, her hair started to float up in the air. She went, oh no! And she backed away from the spinning cookies. And she looked into her backyard. And once again, couldn't believe what she saw. It was that a ninja? There was someone dressed all in black, sneaking around her backyard, looking at his wrist and pressing buttons on some type of device. And very quickly, Claire realized, well, this isn't any normal ninja. Not that Claire had ever seen a real ninja, but this was definitely not a normal ninja, because while the person walked away, while the ninja walked away, she could still see eyes, bright red eyes in the back of its head. That is definitely not normal. And as she watched the ninja walk around her backyard, pressing his device, she saw that there were 8 eyes all around his head. That must be an alien ninja. What are we gonna do? And Claire looked behind her, over her shoulder, and the vibration in the air, it was getting stronger. And she could feel her pajamas start to float up. She looked behind her, and the jar on the cookie jar, the lid on the cookie jar had popped off, and the cookies were floating up and out the front door. And so Claire stopped with her elephant feet all the way out to her front yard, and she watched as the cookies were floating up into the sky. And she watched cookies from her neighbor's house float up into the sky. And she looked to her right, into her backyard, and she saw that the ninja had seen her with its 8 red eyes. She froze, and the alien ninja walked up to her and said, it gnashed its big, sharp teeth and said, hey, do you mind if we borrow some cookies? And Claire went, well, yes, I mind very much. I like my cookies. I was going to have them for breakfast. Said the alien ninja, that's too bad. We're taking them anyway. Claire knew she had to stop this ninja alien from taking all of the cookies from all over the world. She could see up in the sky that there was a big black hole, and the cookies were headed right for it. And Claire devised a plan. Claire's father was a scientist. he was very, very smart. And Claire spent a lot of time with her father. And she had become very, very smart. And she knew her father was testing a brand new device. It wasn't really ready yet, but she had seen it work a little bit. And she thought, if there's a time to use this, it's now. And so she stomped inside, down the basement stairs, opened up her dad's secret laboratory door, which he didn't know she had a key to. And she wheeled out the device. She saw the big red button. She turned on the power. Smack! She pressed the big red button, and everything stopped. She could see dust that was floating in the air. It was stuck in the air. This was her father's time-stopping machine. She had no idea how long it would last, but she knew she had to hurry. So she ran back up the basement stairs, closed the door, went out to the front lawn, and saw, yes, it was working. The alien was frozen. And his eyes, all 8 of them, looked at her. And she knew she had to make sure all those eyes couldn't see what she was going to do next. So she ran into her mom's room, and she grabbed a big box. And she ran down the stairs, and she put it on top of the alien's head. Yeah. And then she proceeded to run all the way to the airport. She had to run to the airport because her plan was that she was going to switch all of the cookies in the world so that they could keep the cookies on Earth, but she was going to switch them into carrot cookies. Yeah. Yeah. So she borrowed her father's super-powered vacuum, another invention he had created, and she ran to the airport, but she got to the airport, everybody was like this. Everyone was frozen. And so she realized she was going to have to fly the plane herself. And she hopped in the plane, and she was very, very smart. And she figured it out like that. And she took off, and she visited every city in the world. It took a couple of weeks, but she finally made it back. And she couldn't believe the time stop machine was still working. She successfully got to every city, and she went and sucked up all of the cookies, and then loaded carrot cookies into the vacuum, flipped it into reverse, and shot all the carrot cookies back and replaced all the cookies. So she got back home, and she turned off the time-stopping machine, and the alien, well, that was weird. All right, we're gonna keep stealing cookies. Those cookies look a little different. No worries, no problem. And I'm going to have to speed this up, he says. And he turned up the power on the black hole. And Claire felt her clothing lift. She felt her hair lift up, and all of a sudden, no! Claire got sucked up into the black hole. And as she passed the alien spaceship that the remote control was controlling, making the black hole, she used, out of her back pockets that she always kept, some duct tape. And she wrapped it around her hands and her knees as she flew through space, and she attached herself to the spaceship. Safe, she thought. And then the spaceship took off. The alien had finished his work, stealing all of the world's cookies, or so he thought. But all he really stolen was the carrot cookies. And the alien spaceship, boom, went to the other side of the black hole. Claire was trapped. Claire had to hide from all of the aliens as they unloaded all of the cookies out of the spaceship that the spaceship had stolen, and watched as the aliens, with their big, sharp teeth and their 8 red eyes, started to chow down, like eating all the cookies. They seemed not to notice. That's good, said Claire. They won't be back anytime soon. But how do I get back? And then she heard it. She heard a sound behind her. Claire froze. Again, she was frightened. And she turned around slowly. Oh! That's a really big beast. That looks a lot like a wildebeest. And the wildebeest walked with its giant mouth, walked right up. It showed its big, shiny teeth. And the wildebeest licked Claire's face. And Claire wiped off the slobber from the wildebeest. And she thought, oh, you're friendly, aren't you? Said the wildebeest. And the wildebeest started nodding. This way. And so Claire looked over her shoulder and went, oh, that's a great idea. Thank you. What she saw over her shoulder was an alien jetpack. She strapped it on. She took a look at the controls. And she was very smart. And she figured them out very quickly. And Claire was ready to fly back home, but she needed to control the black hole and open it up again. And she saw the aliens still chowing down on their carrot cookies. And she flew right past the alien ninja and grabbed the device right off his wrist and flew out of their base and into space. She pressed the device, the black hole opened, vroom, she flew right through, and boom, landed on Earth at her house, safe again. But what she imagined, she landed on the roof, and as she landed on the roof, she looked around, and there was a huge crowd of people, and they all began to cheer. Yeah, yay! Captain Cookie! Captain Cookie! Captain Cookie! Captain Cookie! She realized that people had seen what she'd done. She realized even if they were frozen, they had seen her do her work switching the cookies, and they saw her sacrifice herself and go into the black hole. They decided that Claire was a superhero. And from that day forward, Claire kept all of the cookies on Earth safe from evil ninja aliens as Captain Cookie.